I am Luke Norman. I'm the Executive Chairman of US Gold Corp, and I am co-founder of the company. So US Gold Corp is a NASDAQ listed pre-development gold and copper asset just outside of Cheyenne, Wyoming, fully permitted, shovel ready. So CK, or Copper King, is 20 miles outside of Cheyenne, Wyoming. It's a gold and copper porphyry, currently a reserve of 1.6 million ounces. We see significant upside to that, and again, fully permitted, shovel ready, and we're just in the final throes of a bankable feasibility. We are very affirmative and aware of social license. Our CEO, George B., has built gold mines all over the planet with Barrick and outside of Barrick. We have spent a lot of time dealing with or speaking with local communities in and around the project, and ultimately through the permit process, it was a public process where we received no formal objections. Challenges, we always are asked that question, by investors. What keeps you awake at night? Really, the only last variable for us would be that pressure on price, gold price, or the volatility of metals prices. Other than that, again, we've been through all the engineering phases, we've been through the permitting phase. Really the benefits to us is this burgeoning gold market. Being one of the only permitted projects in a junior in North America is a huge advantage, huge step up. So I think we are really well positioned and well levered to copper and gold. So ultimately, yes, we require financing, of course, because we have to build a mine. We're just going into the final calculations on the cost of building that operation. In our February of this year pre-feasibility study, we forecast around $277 million in CapEx. We expect that to climb higher. It's just the nature of the beast, as it were, in terms of developing in an inflationary environment. But we don't see the project overblowing itself. Why? Because we're situated 20 miles outside of a resource hub. Cheyenne, Wyoming is only an hour-and-a-half drive north of Denver, Colorado. So we have we don't have to, in-place employees, we don't have to build man camps, etc. So very low-cost relative operation for us. So there's going to be a lot of exciting news coming months. Our shareholders know a lot about the company. What I want new investors and potential new investors to know is we have an extremely tight share structure. So we're not your typical junior mining company. We're not listed on TSXV with hundreds of millions of shares out. We have 14 million and change shares outstanding. Why are we so stingy on issuing stock? Because we are shareholders. So we're aligned with our shareholders. So as we go into this development phase of the company, everyone sees, a $300 million plus build, that's going to be a dilutive, of course there's going to be some form of dilution through that, but we're going to make it as little as possible. Why? Because we care about the share price. So I want new investors to know that when you look at a $14 NASDAQ listed stock, you're buying $170 or $180 million CapEx company. It's minute relative to the value of the asset, and it's a great time to invest.